I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Ford Expedition. First, locate the remote start button on your key fob, usually a circular arrow icon. Press the lock button once to prepare the vehicle's system. Then, quickly press the remote start button twice. Your Expedition's lights will flash, and the engine will start, providing a comfortable cabin temperature before you even step inside. It's a simple process to get your vehicle ready. Many Ford Expedition key fobs offer advanced features, including two-way communication. This means your fob can confirm the vehicle has started successfully, often with a light or sound. Always ensure your Expedition is in park before attempting to remote start it for safety. This feature is designed for convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down your vehicle from a distance, making your daily commute more pleasant. For reliable remote starting, a healthy vehicle battery is crucial. Also, ensure your Expedition's hood is completely closed and latched. A safety switch prevents starting if it's open. Remember, never use remote start in an enclosed space like a garage without proper ventilation due to exhaust fumes. These simple checks help ensure your remote start system works perfectly every time you need it. Beyond your key fob, the Ford Pass app offers even greater control. Simply download the app, add your Ford Expedition, and you can remotely start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from virtually anywhere. This is incredibly convenient for those times you're out of key fob range. Plus, for those who love to read, the new Kindle Paperwhite offers an amazing experience. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and entertained on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.